So let's see what happened today in the market. Broad market was negative. And if you see small cap has closed obviously more in negative than other broad market indices. And apart from that, sectoral indices, if you see, today only public bank and chemical sector has closed positively. Apart from that, every other sector closed on negative side. Metals are the one which were beaten heavily. So in thematic indices, only oil and gas sustained the profit that were given in last 5 days. Rest of the thematic indices has closed negatively today. So it's evident that oil and gas is trying to hold up. And if you see the momentum, all the indices, though they closed negatively today, but still there is no change in the momentum trend, even the thematic and the sectoral, except public banks. Public banks, they are in negative momentum. The momentum is coming down for public banks. We need to see in the coming days how it is going to turn out. As of now, key takeaway from sectoral is one is oil and gas. Oil and gas is being strong. And from industry point of view, all the if you see granites and marbles, they have been performing for last 1 week. So some buying has been happening in this industry index. If you see the trend itself, it's more or like a double bottom. Whenever the double bottom happened, from there the price is being going upside as an industry level. And you can see the price, the rate of change also, which is 21% has changed upside. It closed upside for 21% at an industry average level in 1 week. And today it was 5% change positively. So which means there is a good strength is going on in this industry. This we have been seeing for last 5 days also. Whenever we are doing this daily market analysis, I think we have observed this for last whole week itself. So yeah, and restaurants also doing good. Restaurants currently the index is at bottom. I think it shows strength in last 5 days. It has been positive of 12%. We need to see if we need to check out the stocks from the how many stocks are there. Total restaurant 9 stocks are there. So out of that, today 50% of the stocks closed positively. But when it comes to last five days, nearly 90% is stocks. Moreover, all the stocks, somewhere around 7 to 8 stocks has closed positively in the last week itself. So you can check by taking individual stock analysis on your own. Then you will get to see any good kind of what we say setup is forming or not. So as of now, this index is doing some bringing some positive strength in it. And apart from the plastic products of which belongs to consumer durables. So one thing is consumer durables, even home furniture, consumer durables, household appliances, consumer durables. So the CD, consumer durables index or the sector is also coming upside. So if you see household appliances, the index level, it is at bottom. It's I think it is in a reversal stage from for whatever that 5 days or 1 day percentage change we see positively. The index is at bottom and it's trying to picking up. And home furniture, consumer durables, if you see, even this is also at bottom. So as a sector, consumer durables is at bottom. But from last week, we are seeing some positive strength in it. So it could be an early jump. It's not like we just go in and invest money. We need to see good setups in those tech sectors. But from this, what we get to see is now we got to know where the early money is going in early stages. So we can say that money is slowly getting into consumer durable sector. And other things are sanitary ware. These also from FMC sector. I think capital goods, I think sanitary ware. and FMCG. See, again FMCG came into picture, and healthcare. Healthcare is also pulling up. Healthcare, if you see medical equipment, obviously out of five stocks, the index, if you see, it is at bottom. But when it comes to service provider healthcare, uh, that is somewhere at the mid of this range of 52-week and 52-week low. So you can see, well, if you find any good setups in this sector also, it will be a good, because from last week it has closed 3% upside, and ratings also is doing good. Metals, ferrous, again it is at near 52-week zone, within 10-20% zone. Yeah, I think you have a clear idea where and all money is flowing. Consumer durables is one thing, and oil and gas is one thing, and the energy is third. And in financial sector, we see these exchanges, morely capital markets. So there also we are able to see some money flowing into. So yeah, so let me keep in 5 days, so we'll get a clear picture of it. So yeah, if you see FMCG, and then textiles, and then again consumer durables, auto components also revived this week. Just keep in mind healthcare, auto again, auto tires. So asset management belongs to capital market. Yeah, I think we are clear. Again, consumer durables here. Consumer durables. See, nearly out of the top 40, consumer durables have come into picture like five to six times as an industry level. So the whole sector is doing good. Yeah, that's it from industry level. So yeah, if you see the stock level, you can have a snapshot of the top 40. So where the money is flowing. If possible, I will show the next also. Okay, so today it's good actually. More than how many stocks closed more than 4%? 77, nearly 75 stocks closed more than 4%. Okay, so yeah, this what you can see, have a snapshot of it, and you can check out which stocks from which industries and sectors are doing good. So from momentum point of view, it is a negative from total market point of view, and then market breadth, it was negative because it is less than 50. So it's nearly 70% of the stocks closed negatively with respect to yesterday's close, and yeah. So today's 4% range expansion range is nearly 4% stocks closed upside above 4%, and downside stocks are more actually today. So yeah, then again, whatever the streak that we are seeing for last 2 days, so again it flipped, but not that great. It is more or like a bad sign only, but more or like a neutral condition. So we need to observe. It's not like every day we'll get to see this kind of behavior where we'll get to see the ratio of more than 10 and 20. So it's rare. So yeah, so for now what we can see, how is that swing trading environment. Yesterday also, yesterday or day before yesterday, it showed that the price is above 10 and 21 SMA, and still it is continuing above 10 and 21 SMA. Though the candle is a negative candle, it closed downside from the open. And apart from that, what you can see, yeah, it is taking support exactly at this point. Let's see in the Nifty 500. Yeah, 23,400. Nifty 500, if you take 23,400, is been acting as a support as of now. So if you see the weeks, bottom weeks, the price is not able to close below this 23,400. So which is you can say it could be this, whatever the demand zone, 23,400 to 23,300. It's being respected as of now, but previously it was broken, so I cannot consider anymore this as a demand zone. But still, from last three candles point of view, it is taking support at this zone. It will be used by day traders. but not for us anyway. So that's what from Nifty 500. And yeah, so current week, how many stocks closed more than 10%? Is 157, 157 stocks, nearly 10% stocks closed more than 10%. Yes, I think I just need to make this change. Okay. So yeah, that's what today's history is. Yeah, candle strength. So not much candle strength today. Obviously, you can see it's a very small candle, a small range candle, and it closed near the lows. And only 20% of the stocks closed near their highs, which means most of the stocks couldn't hold its gains. So that's what today it is telling us. Okay, I will close it here. It's all at 10 minutes. Thank you.